Alright, what's up everyone? Welcome to another episode of Unboxings dito sa Jojocom Online. Nag-upgrade ako ng mouse and I got this new Logitech G304 Lightspeed wireless gaming mouse. So, based on the reviews and mga feedback na nakuha ko about this mouse, this is more of uh, a budget Logitech wireless gaming mouse. For your knowledge, parang ang pinaka top of the line yata ngayon um, ng Logitech is the G Pro wireless, which is medyo top of the line din yung presyo, which is I think nasa mga more or less 6,000. This is only less than 1/3 of the price ng G Pro wireless. Pero hindi naman daw ganun kalayo sa specs. So, mas close siya sa G Pro na wired, which is yung una kong tinitignan, pero syempre, kung saan tayo makakatipid tapos wireless pa, dun ay pinili ko. Alright, so this is less than 2,000 pesos sa totoo lang. Wireless na siya and it's a gaming mouse, tas Logitech na rin. So without further ado, before the unboxing though, let's take a look at the box lang. So ayan, it's fairly small for a mouse box, which is fine. Mouse lang naman yan, wala naman siyang ibang kasamang kung ano-ano. Ginagamitan pa rin to ng battery. Wala pa siyang built-in battery, which has its pros and cons. Tapos yun nga, portable, durable, comfortable. Under 100 grams siya. I think nasa mga 80 to 90 grams siya. So medyo magaan siya. Pero there are different ways para lalo pang pagaanin yung mouse for those na talagang OC sa weight ng mouse nila. So let's open the box. I've already opened it previously. Actually ginamit ko na siya. But for the sake of unboxing and content, here we go. Alright, so out of the box, hilahin lang natin siya. Okay, so you have your mouse wrapped in this protective sleeve. And here it is. Okay, so if you can see, may mga fingerprints na ako kasi nga ginamit ko na siya. Matte yung finish niya. Can we focus on that? Ayan. So matte yung finish ng mouse itself, which is a good thing kasi sa mga glossy, yung mga ganitong finish na mouse like yung nakasanayan nating A4 text and whatnot, kahit hindi naman ako libagin, naglilibag yung mga dito. Right, so sa matte finish, we don't get that libag thing. Maybe that's just me. Okay. Ayun, underneath. So ito yung sensor niya. Alright, very smooth naman yung ilalim niya when used with a mousepad especially. And you basically just open it up like so. Alright, so I already have a battery in there. This was also included inside the box when I first opened it. Sorry, nakalimutan ko palang i-indicate yung lagayan ng USB receiver. So when I mentioned earlier, there are ways para pagaanin pa to lalo. I found out na you can buy 3D printed covers ng mouse na to online na mas magaan, I believe. Tapos yung mga butas-butas na, which is I'm not a fan of, so I'm probably not gonna make any changes to this. Tapos instead of using a AA battery, you can use a AAA with a AA adapter, which is ngayon ko lang nalaman sa buong buhay ko na may ganun pala. So if wala kang AA tapos may AAA battery ka and you have an adapter, you can use that on so many things pala. I had no idea. Alright, so what else is in the box? Okay, so you have your typical quick start guides, I believe. Ay, ito pala yung resibo. Some more paperworks and all. Sticker, of course. Nakakatuwa kapag bumibili ka ng stuff, tapos may stickers, no? Um, Tapos it comes with a USB cable, a male to female, which I have no idea what this is for, to be honest. Maybe you guys can tell me what it's for. Wala namang saksakan ng USB dito sa mouse. So, honestly, I have no idea. If you have an idea what it's for, please let me know. Okay. Ayan. So, there's still one more thing in the box. Ayan, more paperwork things lang. Okay. So, I'm not going to go further more into the technical stuff kasi di naman ako super techy and all. I just want to share the things I unbox. Pero I forgot to mention you have your DPI button here to quickly scroll through different DPI settings, which is pwede mo rin siyang ma-alter or ma-set inside Logitech's what's it called? G-Hub software. Okay, so pwede mo siyang i-customize doon. You can create different profiles of your mouse settings. One of the negative feedbacks lang na meron ako dito sa mouse na to is the side buttons. So, let me focus lang. Ayan. So, as you can see, medyo manipis lang siya. Right? Manipis siya and wala gaanong resistance when it's pressed. So, parang pag pinindot mo siya, nagdadalawang isip ka kung napindot mo ba or what, kasi yun nga, wala ka masyado nararamdamang resistance. At the same time, I'm afraid na baka mapindot siya accidentally. Right? So, very soft lang yung touch niya. Actually, this one is softer than the other. So, yun lang yung concern ko. Other than that, I think it's a really good mouse. Hindi naman ganun kaingay yung clicks niya. I don't think you'll be able to hear it kasi naka-headset ako. And I'm using the mic on this. So, ayun. Another thing na you may also want to take note of is this is an absolutely non-RGB mouse. There are no lights whatsoever except for the DPI light indicator when you change your DPI setting. So magbabago-bago yan. May color coding din yan depending sa DPI setting mo. Okay? I guess that's about it. Alright, and for the giveaway, guys, so since upgrade ako, I'm giving out or giving away my previous mouse, which is the HP gaming mouse G260. Color black, RGB na rin siya. Side buttons there, DPI button present, and all the bells and whistles. So this is wired, hindi siya wireless. So I'm giving it away. All you're gonna have to do is like and share this post. Okay? And when you do that, post a screenshot that you shared it with the hashtag G260 giveaway. Hashtag G260 giveaway together with a screenshot, and we will raffle this mouse out. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching as always. Thank you so much for the support. Again, this is Justin. Thank you for supporting Jujocom Online, and see you all again next time. Thank you.